kamusta? Handa na ba kayong alamin kung ano ang nakalaan sa inyo ng mga bituin sa Marso 2025? Sa video na ito, susuriin natin ang inyong tarot reading at tatalakayin ang mga cosmic insights na may kinalaman sa inyong karera, pag-ibig at kalusugan. Kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong inspirasyon sa inyong profesional na buhay, gustong mag-navigate sa mundo ng pag-ibig, o nais mas mapabuti ang inyong kalusugan, manatiling nakatutok habang ibinubunyag natin ang sikreto ng mga tarot card para sa inyo ngayong buwan. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to introduce myself. Hi, my name is M and I am an intuitive tarot reader. So in this tarot reading session, we will be discussing the March 2025 forecast for the zodiac sign Leo. So we will be tapping into your career, love life, and health reading. So without further ado, let's begin. If you want to book your paid personal readings with me, kindly message us on our Facebook page, Ems Guide Tarot Reading, on our Instagram account at Ems Guide, or you can send us a direct message here on YouTube. Please be aware that there are fake accounts pretending to be us. Stay vigilant and don't get scammed. Ang tema para sa buwan ng Marso 2025 para sa zodiac sign na Leo ay abundance. Kapag narinig natin yung salitang abundance, ito ay konektado sa pera at finances. But this doesn't necessarily have to deal with money and material gain. So, abundance is dapat for the month of March, yung total wellness mo as a person, emotionally balanced, spiritually well, and physically you are also well, then that is already considered as something na ikaw ay mayaman dahil wala kang kahit na anong problema sa iyong kalusugan, sa iyong emotional wellness, sa iyong spiritual wellness. And yun ang tema. So you will be very abundant this month of March. Okay, so para sa career reading nyo, Leo, ang base card na lumabas ay ang star card in the reverse. So, there would be disappointments and parang there would be a feeling of rejection pagdating sa career mo ngayong buwan ng Marso. And this might have something to do with family. So, dahil ikaw ay family-oriented na tao, family always comes first. And it seems like you will be given an opportunity when it comes to your career and you are wanting to get that parang offer or may offer sa iyo ngayong buwan ng Marso. Pinag-iisipan mo kung kukunin mo ito or hindi. Napakaganda ng offer na ibibigay sa iyo. But again, family always comes first. And ang sinasabi dito sa next set of cards, the Justice card in the reverse, the Six of Swords in the upright, and the Judgment card in the reverse. It says here, yung offer na yon might involve traveling or going to another place. So, pwedeng sa ibang bansa, pwedeng madestino ka sa ibang lugar. And mahihirapan ka regarding this kasi nga kailangan mong there's something about the family dynamic na hindi mo maiwan, pwedeng mahihirapan ka rin dahil may attachment sa pamilya, but you will be getting this offer soon. And with the last set of cards here, the Nine of Swords in the reverse, the King of Cups in the reverse, and the Seven of Cups in the reverse. May isang factor dito. Magiging factor ang isang masculine energy represented by the King of Cups in the reverse. So, masa-stress ka dito sa taong ito. This person might be pressuring you to take that offer. So this might be a mentor, this might be a boss na parang ang sasabihin niya sa'yo ay kung hindi mo i-grab tong opportunity na ito, sayang dahil minsan lang ito dumating at pag-isipan mo ng mabuti. So, there would be a lot of decision making, a lot of stress, a lot of pressure pagdating sa career mo this month of March. Okay, for those of you who are in a relationship, this is your love reading. So, if you are single, you can skip this part and head on to the next section. So, para sa mga in a relationship, ang lumabas na cards ay ang Two of Wands in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, maaaring nagpaplano na kayo para sa future nitong person mo. Kung will you be taking this uh, relationship into a higher level of commitment, or will you be staying where you are? And with the clarifying cards here, it says you're not really worried right now about your relationship kasi parang para sa'yo, it is what it is. Kumbaga, kung magkahiwalay kayo, okay lang. Kasi pakiramdam mo naman, hindi mo naman kawalan. So, with the Three of Pentacles in the upright, parang sinasabi dito na if you feel that this relationship, itong point of view mo na gusto mong sabihin mo sa person mo, if you feel that this relationship is too much of a hard work, then okay, that's fine with me because I deserve nothing of bare minimum, kumbaga. So, you deserve the best because you're the queen. And ang sinasabi dito, mag-ingat kasi maaaring mawala na ng spark, mawala na yung passion, hindi na kayo ganun ka in love sa isa't isa with your significant other. So, there might be romance in paradise. I mean, there might be trouble in paradise at this month of March kasi nga parang you're getting bored of the relationship and uh, napapatanong ka na rin sa sarili mo kung etong relationship na ba ito ay para sa'yo or move on na lang sa ibang tao. Okay, for those of you who are single, mukhang March is not the month to be happy if you're looking for someone na makaka-relationship mo. Kasi ang sinasabi dito, parang sobrang sanay na sanay ka na maging single. So, parang you're a strong independent woman and a relationship doesn't really matter to you right now. Kasi nga, sanay ka na dahil you are, parang you're equipped, parang you haven't seen that person who has swept you off your feet. And para sa'yo, okay lang kasi there's a bigger picture, or the world is your oyster. Madami pang tao dyan, ang point of view mo, madaming tao na maaari mong ma-meet along the way. And para sa'yo, sa ngayon, okay lang na mag-isa. Pero minsan napapaisip ka din na bakit napakailap ng relationship or ng tao na mamahalin ka. So, meron kang mga ganong isolated moments na mapapaisip ka, bakit mailap ang love para sa'yo. But, you are strong, you are capable, and that is what matters. Yung hindi ka masyadong naghahanap. Kasi darating naman yan or kusang darating yan kapag nakatakda na ang panahon. Okay, so this is the health reading for you guys, Leo. And ang card na lumabas ay ang Lover's card in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, if you need help when it comes to your health concerns, humingi ka ng tulong. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. And ang sinasabi dito, pag-ingatan yung emotions mo. Kasi March might be a turbulent month for you. Maaring whirlwind of emotions ang mararamdaman mo. So, ingat-ingat lang, modulate. pagdating sa mga nararamdaman, don't be too happy, don't be too, although hindi naman natin mapipigilan ng ating feelings, pero sinasabi dito modulate. Kasi it might lead, yung sobrang emotions might lead to physical sickness, kumbaga. So, yung sobrang stress ka, maaaring magkasakit ka, yung sobrang happiness mo naman, hinay-hinay lang kasi baka mamaya magkaroon ng problema sa heart. So, yun ang advice para sa'yo. If alam mo na meron kang sickness or meron kang sakit na matagal na, like heart problems or anything that has to deal with emotions, kung hindi mo kaya mag-isa, maghanap ka ng kasama or magsabi ka sa trusted person mo or person of contact mo. Kasi there might be some things na maaring this March mo palang madidiscover tungkol sa iyong health. So to end this tarot reading session, I have pulled out some oracle cards. The first one is meditate and contemplate. And the last one is emotions are running high. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa'yo regarding your health. Pag-ingatan yung mga nararamdaman mo kasi baka mag-manifest into physical sickness.